Okay, what you're looking at is pitch black night vision. We're talking military issue situation going on here, because the real deal is we're leaving. We are getting ready to go get a car, something like this one right here, an old classic antique car. We're going to get us a 1958 Edsel. Now, Minnie the body shop girl is in the vehicle, but she refuses to get on camera with us and talk due to the fact that she's in a bad mood, tired, and wants to go to sleep, which I understand, because it is now very, very early in the morning, as you can see, very early in the morning. This is the type of morning that you can say it's kind of spooky out in the back of the SWRC ranch, because it's such pitch black situational crap going on that we can't even see what's going on in the blackness of the black. There we go. Okay, we're getting a little bit of light over here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. There we go, right there. All right. So, you know, what the real deal is this ain't my fucking truck. Alright, this isn't my truck that we're taking. This is a loaner truck from the dealership, because my truck is at the dealership. Brand new fucking truck. Alright, this is a loaner truck. I would never buy a white truck, but this is a loaner Dodge 4x4 that they had to give me because for some oddball reason, 29.5 sensors came on my truck when I started it up, and now there's electrical problems on my brand new fucking Power Wagon Dodge Ram Power Wagon fucking truck that doesn't even have 6,000 fucking miles on it. So go figure that, and we'll all know what the hell's going on. Anyway, we'll see you down the road. I got the loaner truck. I got the trailer that we can't see, and the most important thing of all, I got Minnie the body shop girl waiting inside the truck. You ready to go? Huh? Okay. Let's go. Here we go. We're actually on our way to pick up the old Edsel out in Monroe, Louisiana, but we thought we'd stop over here at Cajun Ed's place. Modern technology. Is it modern technology?
Yeah.
Cutting edge. Cutting edge technology.
Yeah, my dress is like cutting edge.
Okay, the last time we were here, Lila said she was going to decorate the place up. She was going to paint one of the walls pink or do something. Hold on a minute.
Come look what
I thought maybe possibly what we got going here is a little gangland action. Are you updating your wall art here, Ed?
Come and look.
Are you updating your wall art? What's this, dude? What is this?
This is called Black Community art.
This is Black Community Art. Now, did they do
I
that
could
for you?
say art.
How much did they? Hold on, we're gonna have to block that one out. Okay, so let me ask you this: how much did they charge you for putting that beautiful art piece on your wall?
They didn't tell me they did it, so I can't charge them.
Yeah,
Hey, look at that cutting edge
I
technology.
see that cutting edge technology called termites, dude.
Yeah.
Termite technology
I
there.
was working this morning. on
That's
that.
been there about 30
Now,
years.
what we're looking at here, this is actually the sidewall of Ed's office. This is his little office building right here.
You didn't do that?
No, the pumps come through.
Hold on a minute, hold on. Minnie thought that you guys did that,
No,
Lila.
I didn't. It's just like this. See there? Yeah.
Oh, look at the trash can. Somebody hit the trash can.
And can you,
They got the trash, oh look at there, all the way on the other side of the fence.
can you do that?
We got artists all, we got a traveling artist that's trying to help you thrive in business here, bud.
They did some of the other buildings.
So this is Ed's body shop. Now this is his paint booth area over here. His body shop's in here. We got the frame machine down there. Look real close. You can see where it says back shop, frame shop, back. That means you're in the back. And then of course, way back in there is his tractor shop. That's where he rebuilds all his forklifts and handy dandy stuff. So what have you been doing, Lila?
I didn't do much. I'm still on physical therapy on my back.
Physical therapy for what?
Well,
What happened?
Come here, look at this car.
I mean, my car is total, Pete. I mean,
Is your car totaled?
yeah.
So you got like a massive car wreck in your car.
Yeah. And then
Here's what it looks like now.
They put
I rebuilt it.
they put that thick machine yesterday that really helped. I can turn my head pretty good now.
Here, Ed. Over
Oh,
here, Ed.
man.
Over there, look.
Okay, so what happened to your car? It looks brand new to me.
All this was pushed in. Look at this.
So that was all crushed in, rear-ended, and you fixed that. Did you put that pin? Is that a Ed Field special pinstripe job on there?
How you like that? And look here.
I like that. It's nice and thick.
And look here. Got another one down there.
And you got another one down. You got double whammy pinstripe
I
job.
want to paint it in the bottom different
Little bit
color.
hanging out
You know
right
what
there.
I like.
So the whole rear end of that car was completely totaled out.
Yeah.
Did it bust the back glass and everything out, or
No, it didn't do that.
it crushed in the whole quarter panel section and bumper covers and totaled it out? This is like the car that you bought Lila when you first met her.
Yeah.
Is that right, Lila?
This is about our third car.
Huh?
2007.
This was the first car you ever got brand new?
Brand new.
Yeah.
First brand new car.
I remember this car when I met Ed. And
It was gray, right?
I thought it was blue.
No, it was gray.
It was gray.
Yeah.
You painted the whole car, Ed?
Yeah.
When did you paint it?
We just got through with it last week.
So you actually painted the whole car last week?
Yeah.
Wow.
Awesome.
That's
Yeah.
crazy,
But
dude.
this is
Here's the
bad.
car. You gotta get in the shade.
Let's get over here so we can look at the car, see what it looked like before. So that's it right there. Huh. That's total, dude. That's
Yeah.
total. How long did it take you to pull all that out with the frame machine to fix it?
I did,
3 or 4 days.
About 3 or 4 days.
Yeah.
They did a permission.
Ed's technology still kicking in, and
72 years old and still working
72?
7, 8 days.
72 years old.
7 days.
And now we got a big truck in the body shop. What's going on in here, Ed?
This is XY.
Yeah, that's my daughter's mama's car,
This is your daughter's car.
and they backed into a pole.
Okay, so you're gonna fix it up.
Back bumper.
Now, is there any modern technology going on this deal?
We just do hammer.
Just beat
Just
it
a
out with
hammer?
Yeah.
Beat it up.
Yeah. What do you got here?
That's body shop too.
That's your body. I thought we looked at those last time.
Yeah, and the
So
body
this
shop
is like your modern tech. Okay, that's your body shop tools. What do we got over here?
And this is the other part of it. This is a knocker part.
That's a knocker bar
Yeah.
for your blockers.
Yeah.
And then of course you got your handy dandy dent puller over
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
And then look at come on over here. Here's Ed's body shop. Body hammer.
That's all.
That's his body hammer shelf. That's all the hammers he uses. Now, is this a special hammer right here that you might use for something, or what is this for here? This one.
That's a rubber hammer. I've had it.
But
about
what is it for? I mean, what would you use that
It
for?
would be to mark on something you don't want to bend too bad.
Yeah.
Look at this nice handle on here.
I saw that, dude. That's an oldie but goodie.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like your white balls up here. They're nice and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, they keep them in a good, nice, clean area so you can always have them to, clean stuff up before you paint, dude.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to show?
You feel that cool
Air
air?
conditioning. Is that a swamp cooler, Ed? The swamp cooler. Huh. Wow. Now, did you get a new compressor over here, Ed?
Oh yeah, I got that.
Huh. Because the last time we were here, you had a compressor. It was like 1922 or something.
Yeah. I've had it for 50 years.
Yeah, now this one here is a brand new one, so you're really kicking the air in on this. So that's good. There's a...
When I get retired, I'll bring that to Motel.
All right, buddy, we got to go, Ed. Still got your old Miller welder, using it strong, I
Yeah,
guess.
that thing's about 35 years
Yeah.
old.
I see you got your brand new set of screwdrivers over here. You're keeping those handy dandy.
I bought them because they have all kinds of screwdrivers in here. They have the ones that.
So that's your screwdriver shelf.
Yeah.
Now what is this thing for, Ed? What is this?
That's to hang doors on cars with.
You hang the doors on the cars? Oh, so it's on wheels. Okay.
Yeah. You probably got one. I don't know if you got one or not.
I don't have a door hanger. I see you still got my friend Pete's signs hanging up,
All
though.
of them up there, yeah.
Wow.
People want them, but I don't.
People want them, but you ain't getting rid of them. There's your phone, Ed. You better get it. Might be a customer calling.
Work.
I heard your phone ring. Oh, that was Minnie's phone. Okay. All right, guys. It was nice seeing you again, Lila. You take care and good luck. We're on our way to get an Edsel. 1958 Edsel.
You want a cold bottle of water?
No. You got your lunch up in here somewhere, Ed?
Yeah, look, see my TV dinners?
Now is that your lunch or what is that?
TV dinners just for dinner.
I see you got some Oreo ice cream cake going.
Look at there, got some
Tamales.
Zawali.
What is this here, bud? What is?
Some kind of cakes.
That's kind of frozen
Yeah,
cakes.
Filipino stuff.
What's this? So we got some
Sausage.
All right, there you go. Well, at least you're eating healthy, dude.
Yeah.
At least you got some potato salad here for later.
They don't tell her
What is that?
They don't tell her. All I say.
Okay, what do we got here? What's
Filipino food.
that's Filipino food?
Yeah, you don't want
Okay, you ain't got any of those eggs with little baby chickens in it.
No balut.
Okay.
No balut.
Okay, we gotta go, Ed. We gotta go. All right, we gotta go, bud. All right, so it's always nice to come over here and visit with our buddy Cajun Ed, and modern technology, cutting edge technology that says we gotta do some advertising. So let's get some new artwork on the walls and let the locals do the work for us. Does that say Felon? It says Felon. NHC, North HC High School. I don't know. Dip. Oreo, dip. And Felon. Huh. That's some good advertising right there, Ed. Okay, so we're in Ed Field's body shop here.
Yep.
Cajun Ed's body shop in his little office. And I noticed something over here. Can you see what that says there? It says EPA National Area Source Rule 40 CFR Part 63 Subpart Quadruple whatever H Certificate of Achievement, and look whose name's on there.
Yeah.
Erlinda Fields. Not Ed Fields,
Look at
Erlinda.
here. Look at here.
Okay, hold on. Now who's the real body shop girl?
Well,
Who's the real body shop girl?
You know how to get that
That's
certification? You sit in a classroom for about 20 to 30 minutes or an hour
her
or two.
body shop.
What's this one here? What's this going on?
I'm assistant pharmacist there.
And you're an assistant pharmacist there.
Yeah, counting.
Huh.
I'm counting parts here.
Your counterparts here. There you go. Who's the real body shop girl?
Vin is the real one.
Yeah.
I'm just a fake one.
Oh yeah, sure. Here's a picture of Lila chopping a top on a, what is this, a 1930? That was a 1930 Ford, and she's over here chopping the top on it. Of course, here's my friend Pete and PJ, the sailor boy, chopping it. But Erlinda's over there chopping tops. What are you doing?
Sanding.
Come on over here, Ed. Let's show some people. Let's go back in memory lane here. What do we got here, bud? What is this?
33 Plymouth.
That's a 1933 Plymouth when I met Ed. Okay, this is the past. There you go. You got your sign right. At least it's right. It's bent over, but it's right. Got the 1933 Plymouth. That's a Plymouth 33 Roadster that Ed built from scratch. It was a rotted, rusted bucket, and he built that from scratch. Here's a CEO that he built that he never finished. Now, is that how far you got on it, Ed?
Yeah, about that far.
Yeah. And then you gave up on it and you sold that. If we come all the way down on this memory lane, this is the inside of the Plymouth right here when he got rid of it. Now, I remember you had problems with the interior guy on this. Took him a long time.
Yeah, I had to stay on it.
Didn't he have it for like 9 months or something?
Yeah.
Just tinker-toying around.
Battery went out, starter went out.
Yeah.
You know, It almost wore out before we got through with it.
And then we come down here, all the way down to the bottom here, and look what we got. The last hot rod that Ed built was his 1971?
Yeah.
1971 Chevy truck. That was that was one of the,
69 to 70, 71,
Yeah.
72.
that was the nicest, cleanest truck I ever rode in of that era. Did a beautiful job on it. We're looking over here at the CEO, Ed. What's going on? Was this like your, should I do this or should I do this action? We didn't know what we were going to do when we first started, but you finally came up with something. Is that it right there?
Yeah.
Wow. Now, who bought that? Did they ever finish that thing, or?
I don't know. Somebody
Yeah, And then we come into the future here. We just left the past, and this is the future. This is Ed's body shop now. Forklifts.
That's where the money is.
That's where the money is. Ed finally realized that building hot rods don't make no money, so he decided to go into something that does make money. Ain't that right, Lila?
Yeah.
Are you the painter? You're the one that paints all
I don't
these?
know. I got holy clothes.
Okay, hold on. Does that mean you're welding and?
Yeah, it's probably some kind of
She don't do no welding. She don't like a welding machine.
I don't like welding machine.
She's scared of it.
So who's the real technology? Hold on, what's that word you use, Ed? Technology, modern,
Cutting edge.
cutting edge. Okay, you know, he was watching a TV show and they were slandering people like Ed, saying that's old technology. They don't use that no more.
Barbaric.
Barbaric technology.
You use what works. You know, what difference does it make?
That's right.
It still works.
That's what the old guy at Gas Monkey said.
Gas Monkey Garage guy said.
Yeah.
Called Ed antique technology.
And we know how much dirt that guy gets on his hands.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys, we gotta go. Lili, thank you very much.
Welcome, Pete.
We had to borrow some money from Lili
I know,
because
right?
somebody forgot to go to the bank yesterday to get the money to go get the Edsel. I wonder who that could have been. Body shop girl Minnie.
I don't know.
Hey, Minnie, this is
Wow.
a leak in the crawl place.
Gotta go, Lila. Gotta go.
House we
Alright.
have up in the fix it this week.
It was
That's
like
not good.
About
it was like 100 degrees.
25 or 30 degrees.